Hi, Brent Stacy with Power Equipment Company out of beautiful Nashville, Tennessee, the CSR representative here. Prior to that, I've spent 15 years in the field doing site work, and I've always been a fan of Hensley's KMax system. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the KPrime system and the changes they've made to that and the new Hensley lineup.
Okay, let's talk about a few of the safety features that Hensley has implemented in the new KPrime system. One of the things is the keeper itself is hammerless. You're able to slide it in and be able to turn it a quarter turn and it lock. With the new system, they've actually, when you turn it to quarter turn, you get an audible click that allows you to be able to hear that it's locked and it's in place like it's supposed to be. They've improved the reliability. The fact of 10% increase in the strength creates less stress on the tooth and design over the KMax system with the new KPrime system. The twist control is one of the other things that they've integrated into this. There's a natural pull on the tooth when you're digging for it to pull to the right or left. With the new twist control, this allows this to keep from being able to twist and shear the shank off. They've increased the productivity to the tooth. They've sharpened the tooth a little bit. The tooth is designed to, as you dig, for it to continue to sharp from start to finish. On some machines, the teeth are allowed where they're interchangeable. If it's wearing a little funny, you can turn the tooth over and it'll still fit, which is different than with the KMax system. You couldn't turn a tooth over before. But also, one of the greater things about with the Hensley system has always been the faster system. There's no rubber involved. So when you're digging in rock and it creates heat, it doesn't make the rubber pliable and creates it where the keeper can fall out. It also, if you're burning brush, it doesn't burn the rubber out of it, where you lose the keeper and then your tooth falls off. If you wear teeth out, you take the keeper out of it, quarter turn. It's got the pry spot. You're able to take a screwdriver or pry bar and help pry that out so you don't have hammer involved, which is safety for your hands. Once you remove the keeper, you're able to put a new tooth on it and replace the keeper, and you're back to work. We also have several options in teeth. It starts out with most general construction. You use the SC style tooth. You're able to dig in this just general dirt and rock. As you get into more abrasive or all rock applications or in quartz or something that's extremely abrasive, sand and different things, you can move up in a XC style tooth. The tooth is thicker. You lose in penetration, but you gain in wear over time. You also, if you've got something where you're in real tight material, you can go down to like a tiger tooth or the twin tiger that you can use in when you've got tight rock or somewhere where it's tough penetration. They also have a flare style tooth that when you're in sand or muddy conditions to help with cleanup, that you've got a wider tooth so you got less space in between your teeth. So there's several options depending on what you need. See your local representative, CSR, and they'll help you figure out what's best.
And Hensley has a conversion program that you can take any other manufacturer and convert to the Hensley KPrime system, and you get shanks for free, and then you buy the teeth and keepers. Now, if you want to add a lip, you've got a bucket that's already wore out, and it happens to be a Hensley bucket, you also can swap the old KMax system for the discounted rate with the new KPrime system. So if you've got a bucket that needs converting, you've got a bucket that needs some work done on it, reach out to your local CSR, and those guys will get you fixed up, find out what's best for you with the new system.